Hi, I'm Deborah, and this is Kids to Cuisine, where there are recipes, tips, tricks, hints, and hacks helping people of all ages to learn their way around the kitchen. I love a good pantry raid. Today I'm making hummus. It's a Mediterranean-inspired dip and much, much more. If you want to know more, keep watching for bonuses and tips, or subscribe so you'll never miss another video. The two main ingredients for hummus are chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans or chana, and tahini paste, which is ground sesame seeds. Here's a tip. Different brands of tahini paste have different taste and texture. So try a number of different brands. Just buy the smallest size there is and keep on experimenting until you find the one that you like best. Hummus is really easy to make. All you need is 3 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon and a half of olive oil, plus a little bit more for drizzling at the end, a teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika, a half a teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, either black or white, a quarter of a teaspoon of cayenne, a half cup of tahini paste, 2 cups or one 19-ounce 540 milliliter can of chickpeas, and a quarter of a cup of lemon juice, and about a half a cup of water. Here are some chickpea tips and hacks. If you're using canned chickpeas, a 19-ounce 540 milliliter can will yield 2 cups of chickpeas and a lot of sodium. So drain them and rinse them well before adding them to your recipe. If you use dried chickpeas, only a half a cup of chickpeas will rehydrate to the 2 cups that you need. And if you don't know how, I can show you how to do that. Now I'm ready to put the hummus together. I'm using a 7-cup food processor. You can find it using the affiliate link below. I add the tahini paste and the chickpeas. Then I add the garlic, olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, and cayenne together. I pulse until I get the consistency that I like, and I scrape down the sides quite often. Then I add the lemon juice and puree until I get the smoothness that I like before adding the water to get the consistency I want. Keep some veggie sticks on hand, just for taste testing. You can finish the hummus by pouring it into a bowl, drizzling it with a little olive oil, and then adding vegetables and chips of your choice, because it is a wonderful, crunchy, protein-rich dip. Bonus tips. I often thin the hummus to a pourable consistency, add herbs and spices. It makes for a great dressing, sauce, or marinade for vegetables, salads, and meat. I also use it as a protein-rich, low-fat alternative to mayonnaise in my sandwiches, wraps, and flatbreads. And finally, I use it in place of egg wash for making dredges. So the simple act of flour, egg, and panko when you're making chicken fingers is a lot less messy and a little less hazardous to your health. And it sticks great and bakes or fries really nicely. And that's just a few of the many things that you can do with it. If you like the recipe, tap like or subscribe or leave a comment below. Wait to the end of the video for a list of the recipe ingredients. You can also follow me on Facebook or Twitter. Thank you for watching, and have a wondrous day.